Well, the first round of World Supercross has come and gone, and it's taken two of the bigger names out with it already. Josh Grant, as you can see in this picture right here, on the bottom right-hand side of his bike, that looks like a chain, and chains aren't supposed to be there, and it wasn't supposed to be there. His chain flew off, going into the face of a jump. So you can see in this video right here, he just goes whoop and has no drive, face plants, bike hits him, somebody else hits him, and from there, obviously, not good. His post today on Instagram, not exactly how he planned our championship going, but all in a walking away healthy. He got a concussion. Not the worst thing in the world. He'll be back in probably, well, I guess it's only a couple rounds, so he might even not make the second round depending on how their concussion protocol goes, because obviously it's not good to be concussed, especially hitting something like that. The other big name, there's less pictures and I couldn't find any video for it, so call me out if I'm wrong, I don't know. But posting on Instagram, Miss Tutu, so Chad Reed's wife, saying, quote, absolutely gutted, dislocated right shoulder, broken left hand, broken ribs. In the ambulance now, going to see more CT scans with my boys, CR22, Chad Reed, and Josh Grant. So, two big names, two big crashes, injuries, and probably both out for the second round. But tell me in the comments below, did you like the first round? Do you think it's cool? Are you sad they're injured? Did you watch it live? Or are you going to be like most people in the world watching a day late, or at least over here where I am? But you tell me in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.